Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a fully functional modern news site using AI, and this is going to be a Laravel project. So I'm going to show you all the process step by step, so don't skip the video. So we are going to actually generate a fully functional news site. In the front end we are going to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap, and then we are going to use in the backend Laravel, and then for the database we are going to use MySQL. And here we are not going to do any coding manually. We are going to use AI, and we are going to generate a prompt, and through the prompt we'll just paste the prompt in the AI, and then the AI will actually generate the whole project for us. So I'm going to show you all the process. First of all, I'm going to go to the chat GPT, and here I'm going to generate a prompt. So these are basic information about my project. You can see need a prompt for modern news site using Laravel and Claude Code AI. So the AI we are going to use here, Claude Code AI, and this is paid, although you can use it for free, but there is a certain limitation. But if you want to use it through command line interface, or maybe you want to use it for the project, you have to buy at least pro version, and that will cost maybe $17 to $20. It depends. And if you want to do this using free AI, you can go with Open Code CLI. Okay, Open Code CLI is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything, and it will generate the whole project for you. Also, you just have to give the prompt. Okay, but we want a premium modern look news site, so we are going to use here pro version of Claude Code AI. Okay, and here is the following. So you can see a front end we are going to use this tools, and then for the backend we are going to use Laravel 12, then database MySQL, color combination I have mentioned here green and off-white. Then I have mentioned that I will use XAMPP localhost. I will use my PC XAMPP as a localhost server, and then MySQL server for the database. And then I have mentioned that I am not a coder, so please create the schema file also for the database and add it to the database. Okay, base. And then I have asked for a prompt. Now I will hit enter, or maybe I can click here in this arrow sign, click here, and it will now generate a fully functional prompt for me. You can see you are an expert Laravel 12 full stack developer and system architect. Now this is the prompt I have to actually copy. Now you just have to go through this prompt, and if you need to change anything here, you can actually regenerate it. Okay, mention here in this chat option. Okay, and then ask for the prompt. Okay, regenerate the prompt basically. So I'm okay with it, so I'm going to actually copy this, but before that I have to actually install this Claude Code right in my PC. So we have different way to install it. Either you can go with desktop version of Claude Code AI. In this video I'm going to show you using an IDE like anti-gravity. You can use VS Code also, but I will use here anti-gravity. So go for the anti-gravity and go to the Google anti-gravity. Okay, click here download, then it will take you to the anti-gravity download page, and from here you can select any operating system you are using. I am using Mac, so I'm going to select this one, download for Apple Silicon. If you are from Windows, you have to select this one, download for x64, and you can use VS Code also. And one more thing, you can use it on the command line interface here in the terminal. If you want to use it in the terminal, what you have to do, you have to actually install Claude Code CLI in the terminal. Okay, if you're from Windows, go for the command prompt. If you press Windows key, then type CMD, then hit enter, then you will get command prompt. Okay, then here you have to say npm. Okay, then install, then space, then -g to install it globally for the whole all users of your PC. Okay, you can use it anywhere from anywhere in your PC. All right, and after that we are going to say here at anthropic THROPIC anthropic -AI / Claude -code. All right, now I am from Mac, so I'm going to actually go at the very beginning, and from here I'm going to use sudo. I want to just add this because I want to install it as super user. So that's it. If you hit enter now, then it will start installing Claude Code CLI command line interface. But here you can see we have npm here. So npm we use for package installing. So we have to have Node.js. So you just have to download and install Node.js. Okay, then you can run this command. and I'm assuming that you can install it. Very simple. You just have to write this command and then hit enter, then it will start installing. And after that you just have to log in, sign in, okay, through your Gmail account maybe, and you can create a Claude account and then you can log in through it. Then you have to actually pay for it if you want to use command line interface. Okay, all right, now I'm going to show you how you can get it inside anti-gravity or VS Code. Okay, so either you use anti-gravity or VS Code, process is same. Go for the application and go for the software, and that is anti-gravity. And here we go. I am going to remove. In the right side you can see agent, right? So we are not going to use this chat option. We are going to remove this. We are going to use here extension. Go for this extension section, go for this Claude Code for VS Code. Okay, here I can see. Then install it. I already installed it, and that's why under this extension section I have here Claude Code chat option. Now in your case maybe there will be nothing except a login prompt. Yeah, you have to log in at first. So just log in through your Claude account, okay, and then you have to actually click here new session. Okay, but we are not going to use this right now because we want to actually use this chat in a specific folder or our specific project. For this we have to create the project at first, right? But before that, as it is a Laravel project, so we need a server for this because Laravel is PHP framework, and for the PHP we need a server, right? So we are going to use here XAMPP, because XAMPP will provide us two server here. One is for the Laravel, another one is for the database. Okay, so we are going to go to the XAMPP. Here you can see Apache friends.org and click here download to directly go to the download page. From here you can select any latest version. First of all you have to choose the operating system. Let's say in my case I'm using Mac, so I'm going to come to this section and I'm going to go with the latest version. If you're from Windows, come to this section and go with the latest version. That's it, and install it. Then you will find a folder called XAMPP. If you're from Windows, you may install it in C drive or any other drive you have in your PC. Then no matter which drive you have installed, you just have to go there, and then you will find a folder called XAMPP. You can see, go inside the XAMPP folder. Then you can open XAMPP control panel here. If you are from Windows, you may press Windows key from your keyboard, then type XAMPP control panel, then you will get control panel. But here in Mac OS we have to click here. Okay, so manager -OSX. So I'm going to double click on this, then within short time it will open. Just I have to give the login password of my Mac. Here we go. This is our control panel. Now from here we are going to start Apache and this MySQL server. Here you can see starting, you can see running. Okay, now I'll go there and in the XAMPP folder, and here we have a folder called htdocs. You just have to go inside the folder. This is my previous project. I'm going to delete this. Now here we are going to create a new folder, and the folder name will be, let's say, news-laravel. So this is our project, and we are going to open this project inside anti-gravity, so we can actually drag and drop it here. So drag and drop it here. Remove this agent section here because we are not going to use this chat. We are going to use this Claude Code. Okay, as we are in news Laravel's project, so now we can actually add a new session here. Now I will paste the prompt here. So let's go back here, and we have to actually go to the chat GPT, and we have generated prompt. We are going to copy this. Let's go back to the anti-gravity, paste it here. All right, now we just have to hit enter. So before that I will check once again my server, Apache and MySQL server running or not. Here you can see running. So now I can hit enter, or maybe I can click here in this up arrow sign. Here we go. Now it will complete the whole project for me. If there is any interruption, then I can actually come here in this session, and then I can check where it actually stuck. Okay, and now it will ask for some permission, and I will allow one by one. Here you can see, and maybe it will take some times. It depends on your project, variation. So if it is a normal project, then it will take short time. If it is a long project, then maybe it will take 1 hour maybe. Basically it depends on the project space. All right, I hope you understand. Now I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will back and I will show you our project output. Okay, so guys, here you can see it complete the whole project for us, and the project is live. Here you can see we just have to go there. So I'm going to actually copy this. There we go. We have a nice news portal site. You can see we just have to actually add all the images here, and if you want to generate AI image, you can generate them. But here is the news site. You can see it's completely working. Here you can see, and we have here two mode. One is dark mode, another one is light mode. You can see. Then we can go for the registration, then login. So let's go for the login. Admin at example.com. Password is password. Sign in. Here you can see this is admin dashboard for the news portal site. We have here categories, all the things. You can see we have here user. So user actually can log in. Okay, if we click here view website, we can actually view the website, and then we can directly go here in the admin panel also. Now let's say want to create a new post. So I'll click here new post, and here you can see. Okay, so it's working, fully functional. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.